I'd like to ask if it's okay from everybody, because I know that we are recording this and I know that we will be sending this to you. It would be nice if we can show everybody's face for the closing of this virtual experience, if it's okay with everybody.
Individually. Oh, okay.
Yes, yes, exactly. Yes, here's everybody showing up. Here's everybody showing up. Toko, toko, toko. Twing, 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 twing. Hi, hi, everybody. Hi, Jenny. Good.
Hi, Katie. Hi, Catherine.
I see. I see. Somebody got a paper on the camera. What's up, my brother? Oh, hi, everybody. Luan is gone. Sure, sure. Where's Shu? I want to see Shu. Hey, what's up, Kay? Good, 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 good. What's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, yeah. Kutlano. There's Shu. Hi, hey, hey, hey. Good, good. Guys, we really, really appreciate you guys supporting us in the way that you have supported us. We want you guys from home to be able to know that you can experience what we are doing in a virtual sense. We've been hosting Townships into Towns experiences for lots of people all over the place. And we want you guys to know that you can access us on a virtual level on an ongoing manner going further, okay? We'll keep in touch on as we continue, okay? So thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank
Thank you, guys. I was so confused. I thought it was just the three of us only.
What do you mean, son? What do you think?
Oh my goodness. Oh, what a surprise. Thanks, my guy.
All right, all right.
Thanks, good.
Thank you. Thank
Cheers.
you, guys. Please have a good time. Thank you very much to everybody who's still here. If you want to chat or whatever with your cameras on or off, we'll be here for the next 5 minutes. So feel free. Hey, there's Palisa right there. Hey, Pali, what's up? Yeah, yeah. That's good.
Thank you so much, guys. Me, I'm done. I have to rush off for a shoot. Konomanje.
Yeah, okay. Cheers. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, thank you, my guy.
Hey, Lucky. So
yes,
what?
my brother.
Are you?
I'm gonna go for a shoot, Konomanje. You want to sit down?
Where's your shoot?
It's in mid-range.
Hey, listen. That tripod you borrowed us to help us shoot, was it your tripod or what? You borrowed us that tripod.
It's not from me.
It's not from
the
me.
Gold one. Oh, that gold one is mine. Yeah.
Where? Which one?
That one. The gold one. Sure. But thank you so much.
Okay, yeah.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. You keep it easy, okay?
Thank
you guys, Machita from Cape Town. I see you finally.
Hey, you too, guys. We'll visit soon.
This is
when
my
the airport's open.
Yes.
Lekker Owens.
Sure. Thanks, Brian. Yeah, you can talk if you want to talk.